I've looked at lots of syndicators, but BAM always is my benchmark to measure other syndications with. So far, friends and family have probably recommended a number, and we have a combined millions of dollars in BAM. And so far, nothing has beat not only the returns, but the people and the locations and the common sense approach.
BAM Capital really stands head and shoulder above everybody else. The way they run their operation and where they invest, how they invest, I find it to be best opportunity and return for the amount of risk that's associated.
I started investing, I believe, 2 years ago in BAM, and it kind of came about, I was switching from long-term rentals to short-term rentals, and so I started listening to a lot of podcasts, and they started talking about syndication. And I thought, oh, that's interesting. I've never heard of it. And so I started researching some of the bigger, larger, nationwide firms. And then I came across BAM and sat there in my backyard. That's stupid. I need to invest here. And so I had to convince my husband to get on board and explain syndication. And it was obviously new to both of us, but we're really happy with our investment.
Finding BAM was kind of a game changer for us because we always tried to envision what it looked like coming to the end of this active real estate career that we had. And it kept looking like we were just going to own properties until we died, and didn't really want to do that. So we were really trying to find something, and BAM kind of brought us some comfort in realizing that we could very easily sell our properties when we wanted to, and then reinvest that money with BAM and replace our active income with passive income, and that's what we've been doing. So we're not all the way there yet, but we're in the ninth inning.
There is good investor communication. Every quarter we get audited financials. I feel like this is a long-term play.
BAM started in the property management world, and I've come to learn through some of my own investments that is the key to actually making properties turn around or perform at their best. If you control the property management and the resources that handle that, you can make those investments go. And so that was a key difference for me. It looked a little simpler, and I could work with them on putting some investments to work.
Anybody that's looking for an investment, this is one of the first places I send them because of the trust and the rapport that's been built and the proven track record. The team, I feel like every email I get, it's another expert that's joining the team, someone else that can just help bring the ship up, and it helps build more confidence.
As an operator, you have your core asset and you want to diversify some of your income streams. So I was looking at real estate as a hedge against my business, against the equities market. The number one thing is, do I know a lot of other smart people who are putting money with them? Tenure and track record. Are the distributions coming in on time? That's been really powerful for me. I'll use the internal metric of, would I go tell someone else that I trust this person to do right with your investment?
BAM's been very proactive with communication. They communicate when they say they're going to. We haven't had a single hiccup in 2 years. It's been very positive. Pretty impressive organization overall.